Gonna try and get this stuff off. Someone suggested this, and it seems to work. Already tried a bit. Alright. Got a plan of attack. Alright, that seemed to work fairly well. Got it pretty much cleaned up. Now I'm going to do a stick-on headliner insulating sound deadening mat. Got rained out, so I had to move into the garage. Alright, headlining, sound dampening, insulator, whatever you want to call it, pretty much all in. Just started putting in the headliner. It's actually quite clean for being old. This is the dirty side, clean side's there. That's just glue. So, test fitting this. Lost a couple of these at the lens. Don't know if I ever even had them originally, so I've ordered some of those, but at least I can get started on getting it up and in there, and then I just gotta wait for those parts to finish it up fully. Let's see how that looks. Alright, partially in. There's a bunch of clips now that help hold it on here. Let's go grab those. I'm gonna grab some of the handles and sun visor bits, get some glue. I'm close. Let me start getting windows in, maybe? Let's see. Right, getting all the handles, clips put in, doing this so it's easier to help me locate where I need to glue that on, use the clips here, I'll show you the clips after, and get all the back part in. So the reason I'm doing this now is because you can't do the windows and seals until the headliner's in, so take note of that. This all has to be tucked in behind. That makes it so much easier. So this all has to go down there, get that glued on. There's clips for here. So I'm gonna start doing the clips. These are the headliner clips that go along these edges. Start doing them now. Something else to note, there are thinner and thicker clips. The thicker clips go here on these radius because there's double seam, whereas up here it's supposed to be only a single seam, so they're a bit thinner. I've got some thicker ones left here. Back for that side. Cool, cool. Headliner pretty much in. Need to fix up this dome light to get it in. Rear one's in. Gonna replace the bulb. That's it. Gonna get back to some more electrical up at the front now. Some parts came in. Try and get the blower fan working properly. I picked up a resistor, so let's get on to that.